Hey girls, I thought I would read you a bedtime story. Grace, are you and Riley ready for a bedtime story? The Cat in the Hat by Dr. Seuss. I read this to your dad when he was little. When he was little, just like you, I would read him these books. The Cat in the Hat by Dr. Seuss. Look at that. Oh, that is so much fun. Look at that. It says, the sun did not shine. It was too wet to play. Look at all the rain coming down. So we sat in the house all that cold, wet day. They're just sitting inside the house because it's raining. It says, I sat there with Sally. We sat there, we two. I said, how I wish we had something to do. Too wet to go out and too cold to play ball. So we sat in the house. We did nothing at all. Look, they're just sitting there because it's raining outside. So all we could do was sit, and we did not like it, not one little bit. Look, they have a little fish right there. You see the fish? Bump. There's a big bump. And then something went bump. How that bump made us jump. Look, the boy and the girl jumped up. We looked, then we saw him step on the mat. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat. And we said to us, and he said to us, why do you sit there like that? I know it is wet, and I know the sun is not shining, but we can have lots of good fun. That is funny. Look, he's got a big hat on and an umbrella. I know some good games we can play, said the cat. I know some new tricks, said the cat in the hat. A lot of good tricks. I will show them to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. Look, he's got the big hat with the bow. Then Sally and I did not know what to say. Our mother was out of the house for the day. Ooh, look at the fish. The fish is talking to him. But our fish said, no, no, no. Make that cat go away. Tell that cat in the hat, you do not want to play. He should not be here. He should not be about. He should not be here when your mother is out. Ooh, the fish is telling him to leave. Now, have no fear. Have no fear, said the cat. My tricks are not bad, said the cat in the hat. Why, we can have lots of fun, if you wish, with the games that I call up, up, up with the fish. Look what he's doing to the fish. Can you see it? He's got the fish up on the umbrella. Put me down, said the fish. This is no fun at all. Put me down, said the fish. I do not wish to fall. Have no fear, said the cat. I will not let you fall. I will hold you up high, as I said, as I stand on a ball. Look at that. He's standing on the ball while he's got the fish up there and holding the book. Holy mackerel, look at all that. With a book on one hand and a cup on my hat, but that is not all I can do, said the cat. Like he's got a cup on top of his hat. That fish is gonna fall. Look at me. Look at me now, said the cat, with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat. I can hold up two books. I can hold up the fish. and the little toy ship and some milk on a dish. And look, can hop up and down on the ball. But that is not all. Oh no, that is not all. Look at what all he's doing. He's on a ball. He's got milk on a tray with a boat. He's got the fish. There's a cake on his hat with a cup. And he's got 2 books. This cat is crazy. How much fun that is. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me now. It is fun to have fun, but you have to know now. I can hold up the cup and the milk and the cake. I can hold up these books and the fish on a rake. I can hold the toy ship and a little toy man. And look, with my tail, I can hold a red fan. I can fan with the fan as I hop on the ball, but that is not all. Oh no, that is not all. Whew, look at all that. He's added a red fan. That is what the cat said. Then he fell on his head. He came down with a bump from up there on the ball. And Sally and I, we saw all the things fall. Everything fell. And our fish came down too. He fell into a pot. He said, "Do I like this? Oh no, I do not. This is not a good game," said our fish as he lit. "No, I do not like it. No, not one bit." Wow, look how mad the fish is. He's so mad. "Now look what you did," said the fish to the cat. "Now look at this house. Look at this. Look at this. You sank our toy ship, sank it deep in the cake. You shook up our house and then bent our new rake. You should not be here when our mother is out. You get out of this house," said the fish in the pot. Look, there's a ship in the cake and milk spilled on the floor. Look at the milk. Oh no. "But I like to be here. Oh, I like it a lot," said the cat in the hat to the fish in the pot. "I will not go away. I do not wish to go." "And so," said the cat in the hat, so, I will show you another good game that I know." He knows lots of games. And then he ran out. And then fast as a fox, the cat in the hat came back with a box. Look at that box. The big red wood box that was shut with a hook. "Now look at this trick," said the cat. "Take a look." Then he got up on the top with the tip of his hat. "I call this game Fun in a Box," said the cat. "In this box are 2 things. I will show you now. You will like these 2 things," said the cat with a bow. Look, he bowed. And he's going to show him what's in the box. I wonder what's in the box. Oh my gosh. Look, thing 1 and thing 2. "I will pick up the hook. You will see something new. 2 things, and I call them thing 1 and thing 2. These things will not bite you. They want to have fun." Then out of the box came thing thing 2, and thing 1. And then they ran to us fast. They said, "How do you do? Would you like to shake hands with thing 1 and thing 2? That looks like fun. And Sally and I did not know what to do, so we had to shake hands with thing 1 and thing 2. We shook their 2 hands, but our fish said, "No, no, those things should not be in our house. Make them go. They should not be here when your mother is out. Put them out, put them out," said the fish in the pot. "Have no fear, little fish," said the cat in the hat. "These things are good things." And he gave them a pat. "They are tame, oh, so tame. They have come here to play. They will give you some fun on this wet, wet, wet day." It is wet outside. "Now here is a game that they like," said the cat. "They like to fly kites." Oh, that looks like so much fun, flying kites. "They like to fly kites," said the cat in the hat. "No, not in the house," said the fish in the pot. "They should not fly kites in the house. They should not. Oh, the things they will bump. Oh, the things they will hit. Oh, I do not like it. Not one little bit." Then Sally and I saw them run down the hall. We saw these 2 things bump their kites on the wall. Bump, thump, thump, bump. Down the wall, in the hall. They're just bumping into everything. Thing 2 and thing 1, they ran up, they ran down. On the string of one kite, we saw Mother's new gown. Oh my goodness. Her gown with the dots that are pink, white, and red. Then we saw one kite bump on the head of her bed. Then those things ran about with big bumps, jumps, and kicks, and with hops and big thumps, and all kinds of bad tricks. And I said, "I do not like the way that they play. If Mother could see this, oh, what would she say?" Then our fish said, "Look, look." And our fish shook her with fear. "Your mother is on her way home, on her way home. Do you hear? Oh, what will she do to us? What will she say? Oh, she will not like it to find us this way." Mommy's coming home, look, and it's still raining outside. They're going to get in trouble. "So do something fast," said the fish. "Do you hear? I saw her, your mother. Your mother is near. So as fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of thing 1 and thing 2. So as fast as I could, I went after my net. And I said, "With my net, I can get them, I bet. I bet with my net, I can get those things yet." Look, he's going to chase them down with his net and try to get them because they're knocking everything down. Then I let go of my net. I came down with a plop, and I had them at last. Those 2 things had to stop. Then I said to the cat, now do you do as I say. You pack up those things and you take them away. Oh dear, said the cat. You do not like our games? Oh dear, what a shame, what a shame, what a shame. Then he shut up the things in the box with the hook, and the cat went away with a sad kind of look. That is good, said the fish. He has gone away. Yes, but your mother will come. She will find this big mess. And this mess is so big and so deep and so tall. We cannot pick it up. There's no way at all. Like, what a big mess that thing 1 and thing 2 did. How are they going to get it all cleaned up before mommy comes home? And then, who was back in the house? Why, the cat. Have no fear of this mess, said the cat in the hat. I always pick up all my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know. Look, his machine is picking everything up. That is really cool. I'd like to drive that. That's cool. Then we saw him pick up all the things that were down. He picked up the cake and the rake and the gown and the milk and the strings and the books and the dish and the fan and the cup and the ship and the fish. And he put them away. Then he said, that is that. And then he was gone with the tip of his hat. Look, he tipped his hat. He's like, boop, and let that, it's sweeping the floor as he's leaving. And it put the fish back in the bowl. Then our mother came in and she said to us too, did you have fun? Tell me, what did you do? And Sally and I did not know what to say. Should we tell her the things that went on there that day? Should we tell her about it? Now, what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you? The end. And that is Cat in the Hat. I love you, girls. Have a good night.